back back downtown. Well, I mean, actually, this is the northwest Atlanta, DeForest area, DeForest Ferry area. In this particular property, they called some cars in to tow. I have had some confrontations come off this property before. I put my video right here in the link, the last big confrontation we had here. Anyway, she's got 3 cars she wants yanked, so I gotta go ahead and locate them and figure out which way I want to load them. I'm gonna try to get one on the wheel lift and one on the bed, but I gotta figure out which way the wheels are facing, so we're gonna get loaded up and see what happens. Anyway, I just figured out which one I'm gonna load first. It's right up here. It's a little Maximum. How you doing? Are you getting your stuff out? You don't want the car? Not any good. Okay. I just want to know because she's calling to tow this one. Yeah.
Because I would have called her and told her give me a week.
She got 3. Evidently somebody's putting pressure on her to clean the property up, because you know there's a bunch.
Say again?
Somebody, I mean, like I said, they stickered them 3 or 4 days ago. And anybody that didn't call her, she's towing.
Yeah, but I was out of town and didn't have a chance to.
I understand. Well, if it's not any good, and I mean, if you know whatever you need to get, I'm not trying to rush you. I'm not rushing like that.
Because I don't know what's in the trunk.
Yeah.
And it ain't been crunk. I'm gonna have to get a jump.
To get in the trunk? Mm-hmm. I can jump it off and get you in the trunk. If that's all you need. I'll pop the hood. Okay. I'll get you in it. You should be able to pop it.
I think I'm gonna, when next time y'all coming out here? Because I'm gonna call Ashley and just tell her, give me to Sunday.
There it is.
You did that? Yeah. Let me give her a call.
Well, basically, it's. I mean, I jumped it off, but because you said you wasn't going to take it, it don't run.
What happened?
It don't have a battery in it or anything like that.
Yeah, after the pandemic. Hey, honey. Nobody.
How you doing?
Good. Y'all coming back out here?
No, I'm coming. Shane's friend house over here.
Good seeing you all. All right, take care. So now what are you saying?
She gave everybody the time that nobody called.
What I'm saying is I was out of town, and due to the pandemic, I didn't get the tag because I went to the tag office open. They ain't too long open.
I understand.
Let me just give her a call, see what she's gonna say.
Well, I understand, but I'm fixing to yank it. I mean, she's already told me to come get it.
Well, I understand what
Well, you said you need to get stuff out of the trunk, you know. Well, you said that was fine for me to pop the trunk now.
Yeah, but
she told me to come tow it. What I'm saying is you need to get your stuff out because I'm fixing to load it up.
But what I was saying to you just stated you got 3 cars to get out here. I was just going to go ahead and see about getting the boost off so I can put the battery in and get the car towed to my mom's house.
You just told me it wasn't any good. And
Are
you getting your stuff out? You don't want the car? Not any good. Okay. And it don't run. I understand.
It didn't have no battery in it.
Listen, I don't come here. I don't come here and be mean. I come here and yank cars.
You ain't been mean.
I'll pull up.
I've been out here 15 years.
I understand.
And that's why I'm saying
I understand.
to you, I was gonna call Ashley today and let her know that I was back in town.
Yeah,
I just happened to come up here and make sure that the
Yeah.
car was still here because
Yeah.
the neighbor called and told me that it was
Yeah.
a tag.
So do you live on the property?
Yeah, I live on the
Okay.
property. I've been
Uh-uh.
out here 15 years.
Okay.
And the
Well.
property just been bought by a new management.
Yeah, and the new management's towing these cars.
I can understand that, but this car right
yeah.
here just need a battery and need to be moved because
Yeah,
thing.
I understand. I understand. I understand.
So that's why I was saying to you, I was about to call Ashley.
Well, you told me you need to get your stuff out of the trunk, so I popped the trunk for it to be
the
nice.
battery wasn't
To
in
be
there.
nice, but now you
I appreciate
now
you.
you change. I'm saying you
No,
changed.
I was
you
just
changed
saying
up.
to
You
say
changed
the
up.
car does
You got
run.
me. I mean, I feel like a yo-yo.
No,
But
you
because
shouldn't
I'm
feel like that,
I'm
like
helping
that.
you. No, I'm
appreciate
helping
what
you.
did.
I'm fixing to hook it. That's what I do. I pull up and yank cars. You can call her if you want to. You good? I don't know if you could hear over the truck noise, but she basically told me the car didn't run, that she didn't want the car, she needed to get her stuff out of the trunk. So I popped her trunk for her, put power on where she'd do her stuff out of the car. And after doing that, then she tells me she's gonna call the office. I told her, you can call the office if you want, but I'm towing the car, it don't run. It's a non-running vehicle, don't have a battery in it. Anyway, after all that, I waited for her to get her stuff out, and she told me it's yours, asshole. Now, I didn't treat that lady bad. I think I treated that lady fairly. Anybody in the comments, give me a thumbs up if you think if I treated her fairly or not. Here's a parking spot where that car was parked, right here. Anyway, it was a non-running abandoned vehicle. That's the kind of vehicles we tow. The office, when the office calls to tow them, we come up and show up and get them. That's just what it is. I got another one back here I got to tow. I got some hard looks from some people around here. They don't like tow people around here at all. But this is what it is, man. It's what I do. I got to deal with it. Like some guy walked by a minute ago, and it's funny, man. He walked by on foot, he ain't got a car. Turns around, looks at me, gives me a nasty hard look. Man, what's a tow guy got to do with you, dude? You ain't got a car. Come on now. You mad at the tow guy? You ain't had nobody tow your car because you ain't even got one, man. So why you mad at the tow guy? Anyway, I'm gonna go to the office up here and I'm gonna sign it out. Get up out of here. Some people just flat out, they hate other people, and there ain't nothing you can do that's gonna change that. It's just in their mind, it's in their heart to hate other people, and like I said, there ain't nothing's gonna change that. I personally have much love for all people, because it's required for me to love all people, man, unconditionally, because I serve the Most High God, and I believe in it, and I try my best to live it. Anyway, I'm gonna roll to the office. Looks like we got another storage vehicle. They're storing a bunch of crap in this van. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this van and get it off the property. Terrible, absolutely terrible. A lot of stuff in the back, man. November 19. Hey, the tow trucker back. I'm at the yard. You can see that beautiful sky behind me. Anyway, here's this piece of crap Astro van with the 19 tag, and this thing is terrible. Well, you can't open the door. This is terrible, man. This is what you call a storage. People keep their cars on property to store their crap. Anyway, this person that owns this Astro van also owns another car that was stickered at the lot. And this Astro van had a good tag on it. What they did is they switched tags. We got the pictures of the tags. They switched tags off the van and the car, and now we got to wait till next month to tow the car because they switched tags. But they had a good tag on that van. The office finally was going to tow it anyway. It's so bad, but that's how it works. Everybody tries to work the system, try to scam. Anyway, I'm gonna run my next call. It's just how it goes.